Okay, I have started the recording. I'm sharing my screen. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. All right. So let us continue our exploratory. All right. So from this category bar, if I select any subcategory, for example, like kurtas, so I will be navigated to the product listing page. Okay. So I selected kurta and I'll get the list of kurtas that is available. Now, if we see here in this product listing page, yeah, let me do one thing. Let me write what is the product listing page. Is the list of products. This once user selects the subcategory from the category. Right. So if we select any subcategory from the main category of the application, right? So fine. Now in this product listing page, um, we do have an option of sort by, okay, wherein we can sort by the popular products or we can sort by best selling. Now, as of now, we have sorted it based on popular and the number of products are 850. Now, what I'll do, I'll sort it by best selling. Okay, so if I select best selling, also the total number of products are 850 only. Okay, occasion festive is selected. I'll just remove it and see. Okay, there was some filter that was done. Okay, called as occasion. So I've just removed that filter. Now the total number of products are 2,875 kurtas. Okay, so best selling is so much, and I'll say popular. I think even popular also should be okay. One is increased 2,876. Now I will sort by latest. Okay, 2,870. Okay, and I will sort it by price from high to low. Okay, so if we see prices from high to low, yeah, and if I select or sort it by low to high, so I should see prices from to 449, 499, low to high. I think there are more products with 499. Okay, and then the last sort option is discount. So let me go and select discount. You see 75% discount. And if I go little bit further, 73, 72, 72, 71% discount. So the sorting is happening based on the option that we select in the sort by list. So this is working as expected. All right. And now we do have another option, shop by size in the product listing page. Okay. So there is a more option. If I click on this more, what will happen? Okay. You see here, this option is getting selected once we click on more. Okay. I'll say clear all. Is this working? Because, okay, I've not selected any. Let me do one thing. Let me select small. You see, whatever that you see here, it is a loading symbol. Okay. Why it's still loading? Let me do one thing. Let me refresh the screen. Okay. So once I selected the size as small, you see the total number of products are 1695. All right. And let me click on more now. Okay. Once I click on more, what is happening? It is giving me the more option from the filter by section. And if I click on view more here, you see I see all the filter by option with respect to size over here, right? So here extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, double XL, two double XL, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and after that we have 12, 14 with the numbers and with numbers and the symbol both, right? So 3XL 22, 3XL 18, extra small 60. Okay, fine. So now I will also include for small, I have 1695. What I'll do, I'll include L also along with this, and the number of products are increasing. So now what I'll do, I'll just remove small. So large is 1608. And if I include small, 1972. Okay, and if I remove large, 1695. So I believe there is some issue over here, right? Can somebody tell me what is the issue?
Product number is not counted correctly.
Right? So if I select only small, total the total product is showing as 1695, correct? And if I select large, 1972 is the total, including these two. So basically, 1972 means in 16,600 change. So large somewhere around 300 change, right? So if I close this small, see, large itself it is showing us 1608, right? And so 1608, and if I include small, it is again showing 1907. So small is somewhere around 300 change again. So if I unselect large, it is showing 1695 small itself. So there is some issue in this count basically. So if I select Excel 1934, if I, so small itself was 1695. So what I'll do, if I unselect small, 1695 should be deducted from 1934. So if I unselect small, see Excel itself is showing us 1480, right? So there is some issue over here, and as somebody told, like the uh, select product total count is not calculated properly. So this is a issue basically. So now you understood, like if we select the size, based on the size the products will be displayed, right? And if I mouse over on this, how will, as of now I have selected the product extra large and the products displayed should be extra large. So now if I mouse over on this, I see a option called as quick view. So if I click on quick view, right, so it is giving me a um, details of the product and also the size. So in size Excel is available, right? So if I select some random product and see, so I'll select this one and I'll see quick view. Yeah, see, Excel is available for this particular product. Okay, and will I be able to add this product to the bag now? Can I add to bag this? Can I add this product to the bag now?
Yes,
Okay, add to bag. I'm not able to add it to the bag. Why?
the size is not selected.
Yesterday I told you the precondition to add any product to the bag is I need to select the size first, correct? So I need to select the size, then I'll be able to add the product to the bag. Okay. So now I've selected the size and I've increased it to 2, the quantity to 2. See, they have stated there are only 2 left, and it is giving me option to increase till 9. Let me do one thing. Let me go to bag. Products were not showing in my bag. Let me go back. Now it is working fine. You see here, it's not giving me add more than 2. Correct. Before I was able to add 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Now if I say add to bag, now if I say go to bag, yeah, now it is working properly. So now I'll try to increase the quantity over here. Okay. See here also I'm not able to increase the quantity. It is giving me only 2. Why? Because there are only 2 left in this Excel size. Suppose imagine if I say, okay, large, in large there was only one quantity. It is working fine. If I say small, in small also it was only one quantity. Let me check out that. Yeah, in small one and large one, and Excel it was two. So it is working as expected, wherein based on the available number of quantity, I am able to select only so many quantity. Okay, so this is one thing. All right. So the issue is in the total count of the product. Okay, so we can select the drop by size. We can select the size over here, and if you click on more, we will see the more available sizes in the filter by option. Okay, so now let me unselect this as well. So the total number of products would be listed over here. All right, fine. So in product listing page, we have sort by option. We have option to shop by size, which we have uh, explored, and we have filter by option in the product listing page. Okay, so what is this filter by? We can filter by brand. So if you see here, there are total number of products based on brand also is displayed. So there is Krishna Mehta and Rangmanch, right? If I select this, there is only one particular product and available size is large. So what I'll do, I'll try to go to quick view. Yeah, you see available is large only and only one is left out. Okay, and I cannot increase it. Okay, if I select client side exception has occurred, see the browser console for more information. Now, go to brand, select this. Till here it was working fine. So what I'll do, now what I'll do, I'll click on this much and it is failing. You see, there is some error. It is saying application error, a client side exception has occurred, right? So if you see unexpected end of JSON input, error is happening and exception has occurred. See for more info. If I click over here, next.js, next.js.org. So there is some JavaScript error that is happening due to which this is failing, right? So All right. So there is some error with that particular product. Okay. Apart from that particular product, rest other products are working fine. That is what I feel. So let us see that as well. So now let us come to this brand, and instead of this brand, I'll select some different brand. For example, Biba. Okay. So in Biba, if I go and I'll say quick view. Okay, Biba has size in numbers. Okay. In Biba also it is happening. Okay. Okay. So there is some critical issue. Okay. What is happening in this particular product? If we are seeing this particular problem, I'll select some other brand. I'll go to quick view. I'll select the size. Yeah. With every product, this issue is happening. There is some front end issue wherein JavaScript error is happening. Fine, not to worry. Let us try to explore it. I'll go to kurtas only. I'll just keep exploring this filter by option. Okay. So basically, what is happening whenever we select any particular filter based on the brand, so all the brands are displayed. So we'll not worry about that issue that is happening, but we'll just explore the filter by option in the product listing page, and it is working fine as per the filters that we are applying. Okay. All right. So based on the brand, we can apply the filter. All right. That is one thing. And now the next thing is based on price also, we can apply the filter. So as of now, it is giving us a filter between 449 to 4999. Okay. And if I increase it and if I apply, you see, I have started the filter by 2112 to 4999. So I am seeing the products between 2299 and above. 2399, 2159. Yeah, I'm seeing the products between the price filter that I have applied, and it is working as expected. Fine, this is one thing. I'll do one thing, just remove the price filter. Okay, so price filter is also working fine. And size, we have already seen the size, right? You know, and in size filter also we have a issue wherein the total number of products count is not appropriate. That is one thing. We have already seen this. And there is another filter by option, that is discount. So if I come over here, so 0 to 10, right? So if I select 0 to 10, what will happen is the discount will be displayed between 0 to 10 percentage, right? You see 5 percentage is there, 10 percentage, 5 is there, 5, 10. Yeah. So if I change the number 0 to 10 and also between 10 to 20, you see 20 percentage discount is also displayed. So 18, 17, right? So this is one thing. And if I unselect this, 231 products, let's select 22, between 20 to 30, 403. So if I unselect this, 172. counting is select not appropriate over here also, right? If I select if I filter based on discount also, the total number of products count is also not working fine. That is, I think that is a universal issue in product listing page. So no need to worry. Let's move further. And how the discount filter will work, we understood, like we can select the percentage between these numbers and the products will be displayed based on that, right? So here 172 plus 231, right? 331, 431. So it should be more than 500 adding these two. But if I add this and this, the total products here is coming as 403, but it should be more than 403, right? So 231 plus 200, 431 plus 72. More than 500 it should be, but it's showing only 403. So the issue is kind of universal in the total count of the products, the filter that we are applying, right? So discount is done. We'll go based on occasion. Okay, occasion. So if you want casual, it should show casual 2876. If I select casual, okay, so 1943, 1944, yeah, that should be fine. And now if I select formal along with this, 1959, yeah, yeah, this is almost like working fine. So along with this, formal should be displayed. So I'll just uncheck, unselect this. You see, there is a issue. Can somebody tell me what is that issue? Total products is 15. Can somebody tell me what is the issue here in this filter by? You guys are here. Can somebody tell me what is the issue?
In product listing page, it is more than 15 products.
No, that is not the issue. What is the filter that I have applied?
Formals.
Formals.
So the product listed is a formals.
No, sir.
So the issue is the products listed are not based on the filter that I have applied. Clear? Right. Fine. So let's move further. So next one is color. So I should be able to apply the filter based on the color. So for example, if I select aqua, right? So the filter that should be applied only based on the aqua. So this is working fine, right? So now if I remove this aqua and if I try to select black, the filter applied is only for black. So total is 121. Yeah, that should be fine. I'll include aqua along with this, so both should be applied. Yeah, it is working fine. So we can apply the filters based on the colors that we like. Okay, that is great. So colors is working fine. Now we can apply filter based on the delivery time, right? So if I want the delivery to be within 4 days, then I should be able to see that particular product. Only those particular products where the delivery would be within 4 days. So how we can confirm it? We can confirm it by selecting a particular product, and for example, I'm okay. Here it is not allowing me. What I will do is delivery time within 4 days. So I'll just select the product. So I'll try to add the product from product description page rather than the quick view page. So I select large and I'll add it to the bag. Now I'll go to this, right? So this is the product wherein this particular product I should be receiving within 4 days, right? So I'll just delete this, remove, right? So I will check out. What is today's date? It is 14. You see, it is saying standard delivery by 20th August. So is that particular feature working fine? So I
Mm,
had selected within 4 days. So within 4 days means 14 plus 4. I should be getting the delivery by 18, right? But over here it is giving delivery as 20th August. So it is 6 days. So that feature is not working as expected. So obviously it is an issue. Okay. So I just wanted to cross verify. Okay. Uh, whether whatever the filter that I'm applying is it working as per the expectation, right? So basically, what I'm doing, I'm exploring and then I'm checking whether whatever that I'm exploring, it is working as per the expectation or not. Okay, simple, fine. So see, while exploring the application, I'm finding so many issues as well. Correct. So within 4 days, it's not working as per the expectation. That is giving me 6 days timeline for the delivery. Okay, cool. Let us move further and check the next filter. It is deals. Okay. If I see what is this deals, so I do have a clearance, first time on sale, flash deal, and rock bottom deal. Okay. Let me see clearance. So this is a clearance sale. You see, they have mentioned it as clearance. Okay, this is one, and first time on sale. If I come over here, this is first time deal. Okay. they have come up with the deal for the first time for this particular products. Okay, that is one thing. And if I say the totally 15 products, that is fine. Flash deal 21. Yeah, first time deal, first time. Yeah, this is a flash deal. Okay, clearance is also there. Flash deal, right? And rock bottom deal. Total 26 products. I should say rock bottom deal also. This is a rock bottom deal. Before. All right, so this particular filter is working fine. So if I say clear all, it should clear all. So that is also working fine. Great. So now the next type is next filter type is product type. So kurta sets and kurtas. So if I select kurta sets, so it should give me the sets basically. Mm, okay, there are 8. Yeah, it is giving me the sets. If I say only kurtas, then it should be the filter should be available only for the kurtas. Okay, so this should once I add this product should be applicable only for the kurtas. So what I will do, I'll just kurta sets. Okay, and for example, I'll select this. I'll say medium. Say add to bag. So I think there is no way to identify whether it is a set or it's a view bag. If I'm two quantity, so there is no such way to identify whether I'll get the set that is top and bottom both, right? So we'll just come back. So product type also we can filter by, and then fit. We can filter by fit. So basically slim fit. There is only one. Okay. So this is a slim fit one, and there is one called as oversized. We'll see what is that. Okay, this is oversized, so it should fit for everybody. That is one. Loose fit. So there is a loose fit, I believe. All right. So based on fit also we can filter the options. If I say clear all, it's cleared. And the next filter by option is length. Based on length also we can filter by. So the length is like, for example, I'll say hip length. So filter should be based on that 47. Yeah, 47 is selected. And if I say knee length, 453. Yeah. So the products are of knee length. So we can select the products based on the length as well. So I'll just clear this all. And the next filter by option is sleeves. So what kind of sleeves that you are expecting? So there's something called as bell sleeves. Let's see what is that. Okay, so this is bell sleeves, and let's see, and puff sleeves. So this is puff sleeves. Okay, so based on sleeves also we can filter the products. So this is one thing, and we'll see what is the other filter that we can apply. Pattern. So there is something called as pattern. Kindly give me a minute, guys. Okay, fine. The next filter was based on um, pattern. So if I want checked, if I select checked, I should be seeing all the checked related quotas. All right. So yeah, filter is working. 28 should be there. Yeah, 28. So based on pattern also we can apply the filter, and the next filter that we can apply is wash care. So if I want just the dry clean, so dry clean kurtas are applied. Okay. So this one, and if I select machine wash, so I should be able to apply only the machine wash 1141. Okay. So based on wash care also I can apply the filter. That is one thing. And based on fabric also I can apply the filter. So if I want only the cotton, then I can apply the filter based on cotton. Okay, so it is 1133. It's showing 1134. So there's a discrepancy over there. Fine. So what we can do here is like in product listing page, we can apply the filter based on the filter by options that is available, and we can sort the products based on the sort by options that is available. And apart from that, if we mouse over on any particular product, we have a quick view option, and through quick view option also we can add the product to the uh, bag. Okay, but as of now it is not working. There is some critical issue. Okay, why I'm saying critical issue? Can somebody tell me why it is a critical issue, not a blocker issue? So if I say try to add this product to the bag, okay, now I think it is working fine. Yeah, I'm able to add it. Go to quick view, select the size. Yeah, it was not working before, right? No, it is working fine. But when I went to this quick view, and if I selected this size, it was giving me a error. Okay, It was not letting me select the size and add it to the bag. Is it a blocker issue or a critical issue?
Critical.
Critical issue. It will impact the business.
Yeah, it is impacting the business, right? But why it is not a blocker? Why it is just a critical? When I select the size, it was not letting me select the size and add to the bag. Correct. So if I'm not able to add to the bag, it is as good as that I will not be able to purchase it. Correct. So why it is not a blocker? Why it is a critical?
Because we can able to see the product.
Okay. Yeah. I'm able to see the product, but I'm not able to purchase the product. Right.
Yes. The website is working fine. If it is not working fine, then it is a blocker issue.
No. See, a blocker is something which is not letting you to do something. Right. See, I am able to see the product. Correct. Website is also working fine, but I'm not able to purchase the product. So the whole point of this e-commerce application is you should be able to purchase the product whichever that you like. Correct.
Yes.
So if before some time when I used to click on this quick view and when I used to select the size, it was not letting me add the product to the bag. And if you are not able to add the product to the bag, will you be able to purchase it?
No, sir.
Right. Now, what kind of issue it is? Is it a blocker or a critical? The whole point of e-commerce application is to purchase the product that you like. Correct. So if you're not able to add the product to the bag, will you be able to purchase it?
No, sir. It is a blocker only.
Okay. But I will say it is not a blocker, it is a critical. Can you tell me why it is not a blocker? If you people would have noticed, right? I was not able to add the product from the quick view, correct? But I was able to add the product from product description page. I used to click the product and from here I was adding the product to the bag. Have you people noticed it? When I was not
Yes.
able to add the product from the quick view, I used to click the product and I used to select the size from here and I used to add it. Did somebody notice it?
Yes.
Right. So user was blocked from one particular option. From quick view option, he was not able to add the product to the bag. But from product description page, he was able to add the product to the bag. Correct. So user is not completely blocked. He was blocked from one way, but another way he was able to add the product to the bag and purchase it. Right. So that is the reason I was saying it as a critical issue. Understood why I was mentioning it as a critical, even though if it is kind of a blocker issue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is how you need to burn it down and come up with a proper severity, whether it's a blocker or a critical, right? So I accept from quick view it was blocking me, but from product description page I was still able to add it to the bag and I was still able to proceed further to purchase it. Right. All right. So we have completely explored the product listing page. Okay. So in product listing page we can sort the products based on the options that is available, and we could have sorted uh, select filtered it based on the size. Okay, and we could have filtered it based on the multiple option that is available over here. All right, and over here also we identified a few issues based on the total number of products. That is one more thing. Right. Now, similar to this product listing page, there is one more thing called as search listing page. Okay. So what I'll do, yeah, I'll select pants. Okay, fine. Now here in the search option, I'll set pants and I'll hit enter. You see, now I do have a list of products, okay, based on my search, okay, and for that also we can apply the filters and sort by. Okay, now what have I done? I have searched the product and the list of products is based on my search keyword that I have provided. So now what kind of page I am into? I am into product listing page, or am I in search listing page? What is this particular page called as? Is this called as a product listing page or a search listing page? Can somebody tell me?
Not a custom group.
Okay, yeah, you say it is a product listing page. Okay, how many say it is a product listing page that I'm into? Vidya, Triveni, Meda, Rupa. Okay, how many say it is a search listing page? Okay, Radhika, Kiran. What about others? Fine. The answer is it is search listing page, right? So the list of products that you see, it is based on your search, right? So that is the reason it is called as a search listing page. Suppose imagine navigated and you have selected the products based on some category or subcategory, right? For example, ethnic dresses. You have selected the product from the category and the subcategory. Now you can say you are in a product listing page, right? But you have searched for something, right? So I have searched something called as festive wear, and the list of products is based on the search that I have made. So this is called as a search listing page, not a product listing page. Okay, I'll just write it here. Search listing page. This is something similar to product listing page only. But why it is called a search listing page? Because user has provided the search based on is necessary, right? And whatever the search keyword that he has provided, based on that search keyword, user should be receiving the list of products. Okay, so it is the list of products listed based on the search keyword provided by the user. Clear? So we will have two different pages. One is product listing page and search listing page. Both look similar. Okay, both look similar, but only difference is whatever the search keyword provided by the user, based on that the product would be listed, then it is called as a search listing page. And apart from providing search keyword, and if any other way, if you come and land to a listing page, then it's called as a product listing page. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now we have explored the complete product listing page. And search listing page is also something similar. We have sort by, and we have filter by options, and based on the subcategory or the search that we provide, the filters might vary, right? Now I have selected festive wear. The filter by options are only brand, category, price, gender, size, discount, occasion, color, deals, and there is something called as more filters. Okay, but before, when I selected kurtas, the filters were more, right? We had something called as wash care, right, etc. There were more filters. So the filter by option is also decided based on the type of products that we have selected. Clear? That is one more thing, right? And now we have completed exploring the product listing page and the search listing page, and we have something called as this quick view, right? So in this quick view, what are the other options that we have? Let us see. Quick view. So in quick view, we have the option of selecting the size, increasing the quantity, adding the product to the bag, which we saw. And there is something called as view details. We'll go to that. But we do have something called as share. If I click on the share, I should be able to share this particular product through social media links. So Facebook, WhatsApp, email, and there is something called as three dots. What is this? More share option. All right. So this three dots has a technical term or a technical name. What is the technical term of this particular three dots? This three dots is known as ellipsis. Okay. So it is known as ellipsis. And what is this ellipsis? It is a more option basically. So by clicking on this, it will display more option to perform certain action or to perform some action, right? So whatever that you are seeing over here, this is a horizontal ellipsis. Okay, why? Because this is horizontal, right? And there is something called as vertical ellipsis. You see here three dots from top to bottom, correct? And what is this? This is known as vertical ellipsis. We do not have this vertical ellipsis anywhere in the application, I believe. So that is the reason I'm showing this vertical example for vertical ellipsis in the browser, right? So this particular technical term for this three dots, wherever that you see, is known as ellipsis. Let me write it. It's called as ellipsis. So this is a technical term that they use for this three dots. Wherever in application, if you see the three dots, it is called as what? It is called as ellipsis. Okay. Ellipsis means what? It is the three dots. Okay. And by clicking the ellipsis, it will display more options perform more options to perform some action. Okay. And there are two types. One is horizontal ellipsis, What is this horizontal? Mm, I can say which is horizontal and by clicking it will give more options. And another one is vertical ellipsis, which will which is vertical, and by clicking it will give more options, right? So this is one more technical term that is used for these three dots. Okay, this is one thing, and we can add the product to the wish list from this quick view. That is one more thing that one more option that we have in the quick view uh, page. And then we have something called as view details. If I click on this view details, what is happening? It is taking me to the product description page of that particular product. Okay, so this is how the quick view option will work. So we have, I think we have completely explored the product listing page or this search listing page. What are the different options that we have? Okay, now we have uh, explored the product description page. Now let us explore the sorry, product listing page. Now let us explore the product description page. Okay, so I'll write here what is product description page. What is this product description page and what this does? It provides the detailed information of the product that is selected by the user, right? So let me go to the application. Now, for example, if I select this particular product, if I click on it, what will happen? It will take me to a product description page where it gives the complete information of that particular product. If you see here, this is the brand and this is the name of the product, and we have the available sizes. Okay, and we have size chart, which size fits me, and we have color. There are two different colors. We can select the color. Okay, and it gives the offer on that particular product. What are the different offers that we have? Okay, and it gives us the option to select the quantity. Okay, and it gives us the option to deliver by Monday. Okay, we can change the delivery location all as well by clicking on this change. And we do have an option to add to this list, and we do have an option to add to the bag, and we get the information what is this material and what is the fit. Okay, and also we get the option of what is the fabric care and what is the delivery and returns on this particular product, and details of this particular product, who is what is the product type and what is the MRP, net quantity, who is the manufacturer, who is the select by whom it is marketed by. Okay, all the information will get. And in case if there are some reviews, if somebody has purchased this product already and they have provided some reviews, that information also will be available in the product description page. And also we do have a more like these products option as well. Okay, and more from this brand option also we do have in the product description page and frequently bought together. So along with that, what else is bought together? All those information are available in the product description page. So in product description page also we do have an option to share, right? Something similar to quick view, right? And if I click on this ellipsis, it gives me more option to share, right? So see, I can share the link of this particular product. This is the link, right? If you see here, this particular link is same as this URL, correct? So if I share this link to somebody, once they click on this link, it will directly take them to this particular page. Okay, clear? Now, this is one thing. And we do have some additional option in product description page. What is that additional option? We have something called as which size fits me. And there is something called a size chart. If I click on the size chart, see, it takes me to this particular size chart and I can select the size based on the centimeters or inches. Inches. Okay. And also size chart gives me uh, the shoulder, waist and bust size. Okay. Wherein based on this, I can select. This is one way through which I can select the size using the size chart. And the other one, which size fits me? Let me click on this. Okay. So this option, I can provide my height, for example, from 150 centimeter height. Okay. And weight. I am suppose 70 kilos of weight. Okay. And if I say find my size, it will ask me the next question. Select the body shape, whether I am slimmer or I am a regular or I am curvier. Okay. Based on this, now I will continue further. Now it will again it is asking me to select the body shape, whether I am slim or I am regular or I am wide. Based on this, I'll say continue. Now it will ask me um, to select the size. Okay. For example, I'll continue with this. Now it will ask me choose how you like the clothes to be. If you want the cloth to fit you very tight, I can select very tight. And if I want it to be regular, I can select regular. And if I want the it to be very loose, I can select it. And now it is recommending me a size. It is recommending me XL. Okay. Now if I say add size XL to bag, okay. Now it would be added to the bag. I'll go to view bag. Okay. So in view bag, what has happened? The application recommended me XL size. Okay. And it is added to my bag. Clear. So, how many of you people have purchased clothes online? Anybody here? Okay. Pantriveni, Kiran, Vidya, Meda. All right. Have you people ever seen such kind of option in any application? Like, which size fits me?
No, sir.
Right. So,
No,
don't
sir.
you think this is one of the unique feature that is available in Pantaloons application, which is not available in any other application? Right? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, uh, how can I say? See, this is a kind of a trial. So, if you go to any shops to purchase any cloth, what we will do, we'll select the cloth which we like and we'll go to trial room. we'll wear it and we will see how does it look when I wear it, right? Don't you think this particular feature gives you something similar, uh, say like appearance, right? It is something similar, like you're wearing it and you're seeing it, correct? We
Yes.
know our body very well, how we look and what kind of cloth that fits in, right? So this gives us something similar to that, right? We can select our height, we can select our weight, and uh, we can select our body shape, and based on that they are recommending us this particular size might suit you, right? So this is a unique feature that I felt. Okay, uh, this is something similar to going to a shop, wearing the cloth and checking whether this particular cloth fits me properly or not, right? I have never seen this kind of feature in any of the clothing application apart from this application, right? So this is some unique feature, correct? Wherein it gives us a feel that okay, I have tried this particular cloth and this fits me, I can purchase this, something similar to that, right? So this kind of option we do have in pantaloons application, right? And yeah, these all are the different options that we have in the product description page as well. So we have explored the product description page, and one of the unique feature also we have explored in this pantaloons application, right? And the remaining part is to explore is the wish list page and the cart page and my account page. Right, in my account also we have certain options which we'll have to explore, and gift card, green card, and the payments gateway. So there are around 4 to 5 features which are left out, which we need to explore, and once we complete it then we will start up with the test plan document. So most probably tomorrow I'll complete the exploratory of the remaining features. Remaining features are wishlist, um, bag, my account, uh, payments page, and then this gift card and green card. Uh, so I'll just walk you through these things tomorrow in depth and understand how this gift card and green card will work. And we should be completing the exploratory of the application in tomorrow's session. So whatever that we explored in today's session, is there any doubts for you people? Like the product description page, product listing page, filter by, sort by, and search listing page. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so you people are getting a understanding, like given any particular application, how we should go ahead and explore it,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, so I'll stop it here today, and we'll continue tomorrow, and we'll complete the exploratory tomorrow, and then from day after tomorrow we'll start with the test plan documentation. Okay, so let me stop the recording here.